one shot. Well, I'm gonna do something quick. Get y'all warmed up, get y'all a little loose. All right, so ooh, ah. So go hop up to the right. Right? And left. Y'all there? 5, 6, 7, up and right. Come on. And left. Oh, I like that. All right, so right foot. Take it up, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, up, left, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, quarter rock. Somebody say in the dance. One time. This game I'm gonna get called up. Ooh, ah. Left foot up your right. So this next dance is called Juice. It actually was created by a lady in my class named BDD, Deborah, Jaxon on Facebook. But her son is the artist of the music, right? Real easy. So we're gonna start off, not as easy as that last dance. All right, so Chicago basic on the right. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Y'all there? Yeah. 5, 6, 7, right foot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Y'all there? Yeah. All right, we're gonna go into a stick. We're gonna go right, left, right, clap. Y'all there? Yeah. 5, 6, right into the right. We're going right, left, right, and clap. Put it down. Roll 2 times on the right. So it's right, left, right, clap. Y'all there? Yeah. You're going to do the same thing to the left. We're going to go left, left, clap, and roll, and roll. Now, don't get caught up in this, y'all. And then come right back to the left. Remember, we got to roll first. I see this all the time in the video in my class. People instinctively want to go right to the left. When we finish the snake, remember, put it down, roll 2 times. And then we go into the left. Clap, put it down, roll 2 times. 5, 6, right into the right. Go right, left, and roll. To the left, go left, right, left, and roll. And roll. Y'all there? Yeah. Cha-cha turn, half turn. We're gonna go cha-cha turn right, cha-cha turn left. Bang. That's the whole first part. From the top. Starting with what? Right foot, 5, 6, 7, right foot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the right, come on. Come on. Cha-cha, come on. Turn right. Turn left. Y'all there? Yeah. All right, so this last 16 of the dance, we alternated every rotation. the first, the third, and the fifth. This 16 after the cha-cha turn, and we come back to the front, it's a clap or a freestyle. 16 count freestyle. You can do whatever you want to do. You can shake your ass, clap your hands, go to your car, get some money, come home back, give it to me for a tip. Whatever you want to do. 16 counts to do whatever you want to do, and then we go back to the top. All right? On the second and the fourth rotation, on that 16, without a freestyle, we're going to do a cool walk up, 4, and then we hood walk back, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's right, left, hood walk, and right, and left, and right, and left. And that'll be from the top. So that'll be after the cha-cha turn. So let's go back to the cha-cha turn. 5, 6, cha-cha turn. Go cha-cha and turn. Give it that cool walk, right foot. And hood walk on the right. Come on. Go back up to that basic right here. Y'all good? Juice.